Hello everyone, this is Saurabh Nagarkoti from section 19. My roll number is 20EX20029. So this is my DIY project number 2 in which I have built a tank level control system using Tinkercad. So various components I have used here are an Arduino Uno R3, an ultrasonic distance sensor, a piezo buzzer, a motor driver, a DC motor, two LEDs along with the resistors, and I have done the appropriate connections. I have connected the echo as well as the trigger with the respective pins in Arduino board. Also connected the ground of the motor driver to the negative terminal and the power to the positive terminal. Also, I have connected the input to the 9 and 8 port of the Arduino board. I've connected the motor terminal with the output of this motor driver. So how does it work? So this system actually measures the water distance from this sensor, and if the tank is empty, it automatically turns on the motor so that tank can fill up. And as soon as the tank is full, it turns off this motor and red LED will glow. And when the tank is empty, motor starts, this green LED will glow. So let us start with its simulation. When you can see when this tank is empty, the buzzer starts buzzing with a frequency of 20 Hz and this motor starts rotating as well as green LED glows. Now when the tank is full, and when the tank is full, the buzzer starts buzzing at a frequency of 60 Hz, the red LED glows and the motor stops rotating. So let us move toward its code. So as you can see, I have written the code using blocks. So first I have defined three variables which are echo pin, trigger pin and distance value, which are nothing but the echo pin on the distance sensor, the trigger pin on the distance sensor and the distance value. So I have connected the echo pin to the third port of Arduino board. I have connected the trigger pin to the second port and I have set the distance value to read the ultrasonic distance sensor on trigger pin number 2 and echo pin number 3. So this will keeps on printing the tank automator every time, and if the distance value is less than 40, it will print tank full on the monitor and this speaker will play at 60 Hz. Now these 8 and 9 potentials are high. That means since both the potentials of the driver are high, so motor will not rotate. Now pin 13 is set to high, that means red LED will glow, and pin 12 is set to low, that means green LED will not glow, which indicates motor is not rotating. Now if distance value is greater than 2, it prints tank is empty and play a different tone at 20 Hz on the buzzer. Now since pin 8 is set to high and pin 9 is set to low, so the motor will now rotate, and now you can see the 12 and 13. The pin 12 is set to high, that means the green LED will glow indicating that motor is rotating, and 13 red LED will not glow. Thank you very much. That was all from my side.